Let's start this episode with a clip which will show you that riding motorcycles in bad weather is not a good idea. Jesus Christ. This biker decided to confront the driver who ran the red light.
Hey, don't run red lights! Don't run red lights! Don't run them! Don't run red lights. Having a bad day.
While riding, this biker noticed a guy laying on the road. They say don't drink and drive, but there should be also saying don't drink and walk alone, since you can end up like this guy.
Ты что, ты пьяный или ты устал?
Я немножко пьяный.
Я не знаю. Ты выпил? Ты что разлегся? Тебя ж тут машина раздавит.
Да хуй с ним.
Ты что?
О, спасибо тебе, братан. Не, я...
Становись, держись. Все, давай.
Ты офигенный чувак.
Все, давай. Держись.
Спасибо.
Не падай, замерзнешь.
This biker went off-road trying to avoid this car. He went after this driver and had polite conversation with her. Check it out.
Hello.
I'm sorry that but when I heard that, I saw a horse coming.
You have to listen. I know you don't normally, most people don't. And that is an extra bad spot. But I almost went off-road. Actually, I did go off-road to avoid you. Please be careful.
I really do try. That's the first time I've ever done
I have no protection on this whatsoever.
that. I appreciate you telling me that.
So I'm trying not to, I'm pretty aggravated, but I'm trying not to be.
I appreciate it.
So please be careful.
Alright, we're gonna make a little detour here because there are some sick cars. Yeah, I was sitting at the light and I was like, I can't take up this opportunity. We got a Lamborghini STO right in front of us. Woo! He's mad. I just raced the fastest one out of him, so I don't think these other guys want to race. I don't blame them, that's fine, I get it, whatever.
When this biker saw that there is no chances of avoiding impact, he jumped off the bike. What do you think, guys? Did he save himself from bad injuries, or he was just lucky?
Okay, money. Whew. You okay, Carl?
Yeah, I'm good.
There's a lot of gravel.
Yeah, well, took a tree out, just cracked me crankcase right there. Well, not good, not good at all.
Yeah. I think I leaned a little too hard on that area. Wow, this thing actually saved me. Look at that. Exhaust took a beating. Not too bad. Yeah, tire's cold. I shouldn't have leaned that hard.
But I'll let you guys know. Yeah, okay, yeah.
That's alright, thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
yeah. I want to call the breakdown, but I don't know when they will come.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe!